right, so it's finally warming up outside and it's time to refresh yourself for spring. Joining us today is beauty and wellness expert Grace Gold with ideas to look and feel your best this season. Welcome back, Grace.
Thank you.
I always look forward to seeing you. What's up next?
Next, okay, we're spring cleaning our closets, right?
Absolutely.
How do we get the clothes looking as bright and beautiful as this? Well, Ecos, I love these guys. They're plant-based laundry helpers. This is the hypoallergenic laundry detergent, plant-based, gentle cleansing, Magnolia Lily. I love this scent for spring. It's so clean. The Oxo Bright in the front here, I love this. You add this to the wash to brighten, whiten whites, get out stains as well. And then the spray up here, this is the stain and odor remover. You can target stains like coffee, remove odors. If you don't know Ecos, they're earth-friendly products, family owned and operated for 50 years, made in the USA, carbon and water neutral facilities, and they pay their factory workers $18 an hour, which I love.
Yes.
So it's a fantastic brand to support. Very affordable as well, ecos.com and Amazon.
And if anybody in your family has, like, you know, rashes or, you know, allergies, this is perfect.
Exactly.
Yes.
Plant-based.
I love it. Okay.
Yes.
And then